naweza songa hivyo hivyo. Wenye watakuja baadaye watatupata mbele. So thank you so much guys for being here, because I understand like the foundation of crypto yenye utapata hapa, I'm sure nayo utaisahau. So this is it, I'm sure most of you mumesikia stories za crypto kabisa, na mnashangaa hii crypto ni nini? What is this cryptocurrency? That's what we are going to be talking about today. So just a quick introduction. Cryptocurrency as it is, this is money. So anytime I talk about crypto, I want you to look at it as money. Hii ni pesa. So what kind of money is it? Cryptocurrency is a digital money. This is digital money. And this money, it's not tangible. When I say digital, it means si pesa unaweza toa kwa mfuko hivi unaweza shika. So this is a digital money. And furthermore, apart from being digital, this is money that is not governed by anyone. So meaning it is decentralized. Hii pesa hakuna mtu ana control. This money is decentralized. And when I talk a lot about cryptocurrency, I'm sure some of you are lost. Chances are some of you are lost. But nikisema Bitcoin, nikisema tu Bitcoin, hapo I'm sure brains zimeanza kufunguka kidogo, nimesikia Bitcoin. Hii Bitcoin ni nini? So Bitcoin, this is the first ever created cryptocurrency, And for us to be able to understand this Bitcoin, allow me, junajua kuna watu kidogo hawataelewa, allow me to be as petty as possible, for you to, before hata tufike kwa hii Bitcoin ni nini. Nataka tuanzie hapo nyuma. Money. Nimewaambia cryptocurrency na Bitcoin, this is money. But for us to understand it better, let's talk about money itself, and see how money has evolved over the years, So money. Kitambo, the way people traded was, there was a system of trading that was called barter trade, So this was the first trade that used to be huko kitambo kabisa. What was barter trade? This was a trade where involved goods for goods. Wewe uko na ng'ombe zako, mimi niko na mbuzi, tunakutana sokoni na kupatia ng'ombe, unanipatia mbuzi, tunafanya biashara. But then again, as I've just said it, unaona that system of trade had a lot of problems, because it heavily relied on something called coincidence of wants. And this coincidence of wants means that if I'm coming to trade with you, I need to have something that you want, and I also kitu yenye uko nayo lazima pia mimi nitake. Coincidence of wants. Nimekuja sokoni na cows, I have come with a cow. I'm looking to go home with something like a donkey. Na wewe you want that cow but umekuja na mbuzi. So you see that trade haingefanyika. So for people to like advance from this type of trading, they needed something called a medium of exchange. What is a medium of exchange? Now this is where we call money. Something that I can give you, and then once we've done transaction, that money you can use it elsewhere to pay for something. So over the time, money has grown. After we had barter trade, people started using things like shells, kettles as medium of exchange. But with time, these things started to become outdated. That's why we scaled up to something called gold. Now people scaled up to gold. Now people started using gold as a medium of exchange. But now with time pia hii gold unajua it is scarce. Another thing about gold, it's heavy na pia insecurities hapa na pale. People still used gold for some time. And then people realized, what if we come up with paper money? Paper money was introduced. And then the paper money is not the money that you know it right now. That paper money was called IOU. So this was basically that time. This is what happened. Yeah, when gold was in progress. Yeah, people realized carrying gold, it was too heavy, and people came up with something like banks. Yeah, where these banks could take these golds and then print papers that was written IOU. So what you would do with this IOU, you could use it to transact. You could go sell it to someone, buy something with it. And if someone never wanted gold, they would take this IOU to the bank and then claim the gold. So IOU was started by Chinese, which progressed, and up to the money that we know it right now. So now the official money that we have it is called fiat currency. But before it was called fiat, this is what happened. Yeah? Before it was called fiat, we had something called gold standard. Yeah, gold standard is where money was backed with gold, and the first ever gold is measured in ounce. Yeah, so 1 ounce of gold this was equivalent to 20 bahts, yeah, 20.67 bahts. So anytime you had 1 ounce of gold, yeah, you could convert that ounce of gold to $20, yeah. Until this worked very well because when currency is backed up by something, it's very hard to have so much inflation. But then this president of the United States, yeah, in 1971, yeah, in 1971, there's this president of US called President Nixon. So what did he do? He came and said, guys, now we are no longer going to accept, you are no longer going to exchange your dollars for the gold. Yeah, what will give this money value is the fact that we, the government, have decided this money is valuable. And you citizens, what you do? You agree that yes, this money is valuable. So from there, henceforth, gold has never been backed by anything. Yeah, gold has never been backed by anything. So in 1971, President Nixon ended that gold standard. Up to hapo tuko salama Watu waendelee kutap wenye wako kwa mitandao ya TikTok tukiendelea. So now gold and dollar, they have been severed. So now dollar is just floating without being backed by anything. So fast forward there to 2008. There was a global financial meltdown. Yeah, I will not get into the details so much. Yeah, but it opened up a group of people. Allow me not to call it a group or an individual. Yeah. So in 2008, there was a financial meltdown. Yeah. This financial meltdown was caused by housing bubble. So with this financial meltdown in 2008, there was a mysterious individual who was looking from the darkness. Yeah, up to date, no one knows who this person is, whether it's one person or it's a group of people. Satoshi Nakamoto. So Satoshi Nakamoto, no one knows who he is up to date. This is an individual or a group of people that actually decided to come up with a digital currency, yeah, which is called Bitcoin. Yeah, and it was first introduced in 2009. The white paper was released back towards the end of 2008, but now in 2009, Bitcoin was now released into the economy. So these are some of the reasons. Now we've understood how we've grown from barter trade, from using cows as mode of payment. We've understood how gold came into play, how gold standard was severed, and now we are into now the currency that we have. Now from the currency that we have, we are moving past the currency we have to now the digital currency. So this individual, this mysterious individual, Satoshi Nakamoto, what did he do? He came up with a way to sever the government, from the money that we have. Because clearly, this is what government does. Government, anytime we're in crisis, we print more money. And with printing more money, what does that do to the economy? Your money becomes of less value. Let's take an example. Let's say like around 15 years ago, if you are to walk into a supermarket with let's say 10,000, 10-15 years ago, chances are you would have walked out of that supermarket with a very big shopping. But right now, if you are to go with the same amount, you'd probably walk out with a handful items. Why? Because the money that you have has lost value over time because of inflation, which is being caused by the government. I hope tuko pamoja hapo. Ukifurahia una tap tap tukienda. So now, these are now some of the reasons why Bitcoin had to come into place. Because government controls money. We needed a currency that is not controlled by anyone. And an example, those who are tuning in from Kenya, you can attest to this. Very recently, we changed our currency. The currency we are using right now is not the same currency we were using some 5 years ago. The currency that we have now has been changed. Reason being, the government controls it. What will the government do? The government will just wake up one day and say, what, guys, we no longer want that currency as part of our currency. What we want is you can use this. And now that's exactly what we are trying to avoid there. A currency that can be manipulated by anyone. So Satoshi, this is what he did. He came up with the first digital currency called Bitcoin. Now, some of the factors about Bitcoin that he actually put in place is the fact that Bitcoin, there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins. So this mysterious person set the supply of Bitcoin to 21 million. There can never be more than that. There can never be less than 21 million Bitcoins. So meaning, by nature, because they are not increasing into the system, this currency is deflationary. As compared to now the fiat currency that we know, which is inflationary, because anytime we are in crisis, we just print more money, pump into the economy. Yes. So this currency is deflationary by nature. So initially, this currency was intended to be used for transactions. But as it grows, people have actually come to realize that apart from just being a transactional currency, it can be a store of value. What do I mean when I say store of value? Store of value is something that you can buy and appreciate in pricing later on. Example, Bitcoin was introduced into the economy in the year 2009. Right now we are in the year 2024. How many years are those? Is it 13 years? 15 years?
Yes. 15.
Yeah. So Bitcoin has only been in play for only 15 years. And if you go and check the market capitalization of now this digital currency, you will find out that right now the market capitalization of Bitcoin is around 2.1 trillion dollars. 2.1 trillion dollars. So if you are to take the 3 largest banks in the world, let's say JP Morgan, Bank of America, Bank of China, and you combine all these banks, you combine their market capitalization of these three banks, you will find out that market capitalization of this Bitcoin is higher than the three of them. And these are banks that have been in play since the 90s, but this is something that has only been in play for 15 years, and it has only been able to pull off a market capitalization of 2.1. So this is open to tell you that this is a revolutionary something. So again, now allow me to explain to you a little bit about how this Bitcoin works. Now this Bitcoin, think of it as a ledger. And as we continue, I hope maswali zenu munazieka, nitazijibu tu zote. Kitu ya kwanza, I told you no one controls Bitcoin, Hakuna mtu ana control Bitcoin. Bitcoin is decentralized, Hakuna mtu ana control Bitcoin. So, how does it actually work? We have something called the blockchain technology. This blockchain is the one that keeps Bitcoin going, and the more help comes from the miners whose their work is to actually validate. They validate the transactions of the network. Allow me to give you an example of how this actually works. Example of a bank, Bank is centralized, There is a central authority controlling that money. So if let's say you are John, you wanted to send let's say 1 million Kenya shillings to Jane. Now the bank, which is the central authority, you are sending them using a bank, will actually confirm, does John actually have 1 million to send to Jane? If John doesn't have that amount, the bank will reject that transaction. But if at all John can be able to do that transaction, the bank will approve that transaction and then keep it on a ledger. But now, as I told you, Bitcoin is not there's no central authority behind it. So how does Bitcoin work? With Bitcoin, you'll have to have there are computers that are connected to the Bitcoin network. So those computers, what they do is they validate the transactions. If you're looking, let's say Peter wants to send 1 Bitcoin, to Joel. So these computers in this network, what they are going to do is they are going to validate, and there are many computers, so there's no way for you to use just one computer. All these computers have to come into consensus that actually yes, Peter has that Bitcoin and he wants to send it to Joel for that transaction to be verified. So that's basically what happens. And now these computers that are doing all this mining, they are normally rewarded in terms of Bitcoin to actually validate those transactions. Now this blockchain, you see now this, let's say this was a ledger. Those computers, they have actually agreed that yes, that transaction has been successful. That transaction is going to be recorded in a block. This block will be connected to a previous block and will be connected to blocks even after it. That's why you get these blocks, they are interconnected this way. That's why the technology is called blockchain. Meaning, for you to alter with this block, you will have to alter with the previous block and this one, which is very impossible, making that ecosystem very safe, in terms of no one can access it. No one can access it to validate transactions that have not been validated by the miners. So it is also transparent. If you go to the blockchain to the Bitcoin blockchain, you can be able to track down from the first transaction that was ever made, the Genesis block, that it is Satoshi himself who mined that blockchain, yeah, and he was awarded around 50 bitcoins. So you can be able to track back all these chains, all these blocks, yeah, to the exact transaction that you want. Now, this blockchain opened up a world to a new revolutionary thing, yeah, because right now as we speak, yeah, most people do understand Bitcoin, yeah, but there are millions and if not thousands of cryptocurrencies that have been built ever since, yeah, all through the help of the blockchain, yeah. Right now, if you look into maybe CoinMarketCap, you're going to find millions and millions of coins. Even you at home, yeah, right now, if you wanted to create your own coin and call it probably your name, you can even be able to do that, all with the help of blockchain technology. So now the question is this something you'd want to get to be involved in? Yeah, because Bitcoin is in the phase where we had the internet back in the days. Yeah, in 2002. That is now the phase we are in right now in the world of cryptocurrency. That's why you find a lot of people, they have a lot of skepticism around the whole idea of digital money that you cannot actually have in your pocket. Yes. And I think that's probably more like it. And I think maswali zikikuja itakuwa sawa kabisa.
All right. So in the meantime, guys, I'm hoping the live is Mike Nigan. I'm hoping the live is okay. I'm hoping you're connecting with our trainer of the day and the guest of the day, Jonah. So please don't shy from asking questions. Mike, maswali ni gani zenye zimekuja so far?
Zikuja kabisa.
So Jonah, so basically blockchain is the one that supports.
Yes, the ecosystem that keeps Bitcoin alive. Yeah. Yes.
So Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, hizo zote zinasurvive
on a blockchain. Yes.
Right. Kitu ingine yenye umesema ni revolution of money, si ndio?
Evolution
of money. So tulianza na barter trade.
Tukaingia kwa wanyama cows, shells. From there tukaingia kwa gold. Tukaingia paper money. Tukaingia gold standard nayo ikakatishwa.
Nazo zinakujia wapi? Plastic money, kuna
plastic money zinaingiana na fiat currency.
Plus fiat and then plastic.
Yes.
Sasa ndio tukaingia sasa digital currencies. And that is now where sasa the famous Bitcoin, the famous
Ethereum, Dogecoin,
hizo zote ziko.
Exactly.
Unajua kuna watu wanasemaga kila kitu yao. Unajua kuna msee nilimcheki akauliza swali moja kwa platform tu fulani ya online. I think ilikuwa Facebook. Akauliza what is stopping you from making money online? So wase wengi walikuja hapo akasema everything online ni scam. The same case, the same scenario with the Bitcoin.
Yes.
You see, maybe kuna ile story ya msee wa kwanza mwenye alibuy na Bitcoin pizza.
Yes.
So probably hata the buyer mwenye alipeana, the seller mwenye alipeana hiyo pizza.
Yes.
Most likely, yani lazima huyo mtu alikuwa yani are willing to lose.
Exactly.
So I think it's time guys change that mindset of everything online. Okay, hakuna biashara inaga scam, hiyo ndio tuliwaambia wase. Ukienda real estate watu wanakongo. Ukienda magari kuna scam. So the best thing is always make sure you educate yourself because sahi mse like everybody can, kama sahi sasa mse mwenye hajui coin hizo coins and everything else how to select the coins. Unajua kuna hizi coins zenye
zinatokea tu the same way nimewaambia mtu anaweza jitengenezea coin right now. Unaingia tu hapo unajiandika Jonah Mulatia coin. Juu ukiangalia sasa kuna Trump coin, kuna Biden coin.
Yes.
Zote you can be able to do that.
Now the thing that I'm heading, where I'm heading is how do you know how to select a coin. Na unajua hii coin fulani itakuwa stable, like I will not lose my money.
Okay.
And what are also some top selected coins that
nice.
You can also give the audience. Hata kabla niangalie maswali watu wanasema nini. In the meantime guys, make sure we are getting to 30,000 likes. We are 40 people tuned in at the moment. Tutafika hiyo period ya kuwa pia na 40,000 people watching us. That will be a great honor.
Yeah.
So in the meantime, if you're loving the conversation guys, watu wanasema not everything online is a scam. The extent anasema, some anasema BTC, some anauliza how can I stock crypto safely? Huyo ni Eric. So I think unaweza anza na hizi maswali alafu tuingie hiyo nyingine yenye nimeguzia.
Sawa. So nianze na hiyo how to store your
Yes.
Exactly. I'm glad.
Tunaweza angalia venye nimemention how to select the coins, then uingie sasa
kwa storage. Absolutely.
Hatutafunza how to store
na wajuu na select aje.
Na hiyo pole.
So now guys, that's an amazing. Acha ni recap kidogo tu and then niingie kwa hiyo swali yake. Alex amesema kitu mzuri kabisa. You see, even back in the day when internet was starting, there were startup companies, These companies didn't have anything. Wao wajiite kijina alafu hapo endo andike .com. Watu wa invest, watu waoge. You understand? But right now, there are companies that started then that are doing very well right now. The same with crypto, There are very good projects right now in the market, But kuna mtu tu anaamka tu anajitengenezea project, ikishaingiza pesa anauza na anaenda. That's how like now scamming the crypto comes in, So now kwa swali ya Alex, how do you like analyze this project? There are a few ways to analyze this project. First of all, before you even get to understand which project you want to invest on, kitu ya kwanza you need to understand how much money do you have, how much are you looking to invest? Because okay, honestly speaking, sidhani utakuwa na $20 yako hapo na unataka kununua Bitcoin surely. Kidogo haiwezi make. Sasa you can, don't quote me wrong, you can absolutely buy $20 worth of Bitcoin. What I'm saying is, you cannot have mbele nyuma $20 na unataka kununua Bitcoins looking to make a good return on your investment. Allow me to talk a little about some of the things you should look at before you invest in a project. One thing you should look at is called market capitalization. Market cap, So this market cap tells you the value of that project you want to be invested in. If that project, if that project has maybe let's say $1 billion, 1 billion, 1 billion market capitalization, what does that mean? If you are looking to like probably make a 2x on your investment, you are saying what you are based, the market capitalization for that project will have to go to 2 billion, So this is very key. You should be very keen in looking at the market capitalization, If the project is way too overvalued, it's not always good to be invested in that project. Reason being, you are hedging that project will do even much more than where it is right now, So this is it, if you are looking for slow and steady in returns on your investment, you can go for the big cap. We have big cap. That is big cap, market cap with those are projects with big cap. We have mid cap, and we have small cap. I will explain all of these to a way that you will be able to understand. With big cap, most projects here, you are not likely to lose your money. But then again, if you are making returns, you're also going to make little returns on your investment. So with big cap, the most you should expect from big cap, this is like 5x. This is the most you should expect from a big cap project, yeah, 5x on your investment. So if you invest like $100, you should probably expect $500, and it might not even get to a 5x. It might even go to a 2x, 1.5, yeah. Mid cap, this is where you find projects that will do from 5x to even 20x. So meaning, yeah, the risk is limited, yeah. Here risk imeongezeka kidogo. Here you can lose your money, but then again pia return on your investment pia itakuwa kidogo higher than a big cap. Now hapa kuna small cap. This is where people make millions of money, millions and millions of money, and this is the same place people lose all the investment, yeah? Because small caps, these are projects that will do 20x to even I don't know, big figures like maybe 500x. So if you are to invest in a small cap, let's say like $100, yeah, and it does a $500x, that's going to be like $50,000. So now with small cap, you can lose all your money. And then again, if that small cap is a good project, you can make a fortune. This is where you actually make generational wealth. Huh? But then again, you should be very careful, yeah, because the chances of making a small cap that is will do this kind of returns is probably 1 out of 10. So we have talked about market capitalization. Number two, something else I will talk about is use case. Now use case, this is where you go to a project. What is this project actually trying to solve? Example, let's talk about the one we've been talking about all along, yeah? Bitcoin. What is the use case for Bitcoin? The Bitcoin was actually introduced to actually separate money from the government. So that's the use case. It was brought into circulation in terms of to get rid of the fiat currency that is every day inflating, yeah. So that was the use case for Bitcoin, and that's why it has really grown, yeah, because people actually believe in the project that there is no individual that is supposed to control money. The same with Bitcoin. So with use case, there are a lot of use cases in the market. An example, the second largest crypto by market capitalization, Ethereum, ETH. So now with ETH, this is responsible for smart contracts. This is for smart contracts, and a lot of cryptos, they have been built on different use cases. They are the ones for AI narrative, people who are into gaming, the metaverse. So you should also consider use case. That's number two. Number three, you should also consider the people behind a project, yeah, the team behind that project. This is the reason, yeah. If a project is being funded by a good team, yeah, people are more likely to have faith into that project. And what happens if when people have faith in a project, they pump their money into that ecosystem? The team is very important. Number three is number four, trading volume. So with the trading volume, this is what tells you how people are buying and selling. You do not want to be involved in a project that haina sellers, haina buyers, iko tu. Because in the end, yeah, this is an investment. People are coming into crypto to make money. Why would you go to a project that hakuna mtu ananunua, hakuna mtu anauza? So I think these are some of the things that you should actually be on the lookout for. And about the how much, yeah, this is very important because, yeah, if you have a lot of money, yeah, if you have a lot of money and your risk appetite is to the extent that you do not want to lose that a lot of money, you're just looking for small and steady return on investment, yeah, you can go for the big cap. if you have small money that you are trying to multiply, yeah, unajua generally, yeah, we humans, we are gamblers by default, yeah, we are gamblers. That's why you'll find someone with a $20. So with a $20 and you are a gambler, there's no way you are going to like buy Bitcoin and expect that $20 from Bitcoin to turn to $1,000 at, I don't know, $50, something of an absurd figure. You go for the small cap because this is where you can be able to make something, a good return on your investment. Yeah. So you look at your amount. Yeah. And then something else I can talk about here. Yeah. It's how you are supposed to, if you have to invest, to have a portfolio in crypto. Yeah. So now, as I've told you, we have the big cap, we have the mid cap, and we have the small cap. Yeah. You're supposed to invest like a VC. These are venture capitalists, VC. Now let's say you have $10,000. Yeah. This is the amount you are looking to invest into crypto. Yeah. Make sure 50% of your portfolio. Yeah. This is the big cap. 50% is supposed to go to big cap because there you know your money is safe and you are going to make steady returns on that investment. So this is 50% of your investment on the big cap. Now the remaining amount, the 25 and the other 25. The first 25, this one you are supposed to invest into the mid cap. Yeah. And I think I should probably tell you the big caps by their market capitalization. So the big cap, this is where you are looking at equal above $1 billion. $1 billion investment. Yeah, that is for the big cap. For the mid cap, now this is something to do in the millions. Yeah, this is in the millions. This is in the millions. That is for the mid cap. Yeah. And for the small cap, now this is where you have the meme coins. Yeah. I'm sure some of you mumesikia meme coins. Yeah. So meme coin, allow me to allow me to just talk about it. Meme coin, hizi ni coins zenye hazinaga, they don't have use case. These are coins that are purely driven up by the hype in the market. Sahii Donald Trump akiamka aseme nimeunda coin yangu nimeita maybe jina ya bibi yake Melania ama ajiite tu Trump 2024, aseme hiyo ni coin yake, it doesn't have any use case. People are going to buy into that coin whether it has use case or not. Yeah, purely because this is an influential person na ame support coin flani, so people will buy into that project. So those are now the meme coins. So now 50% of your portfolio should go to the big caps. Yeah, 25% should go to the mid cap, and now the rest of the 25%, that's where now you gamble with those small cap. Yeah, because what you are looking for with this one, you are just using it to gamble. This you are just using it to look for generational wealth. But now you are the amount of money that you are assured of iko hapa, it is 75%. Yeah, because hapo ukipata coin ikupatie hizi zifanye around maybe 5x hii ifanye hata 2x, so your investment is still intact. Yeah, but now here the 25% of your portfolio, this is where you are looking for. Now hizo coins zitapiga hapo, unachukua kitu kama $50 unaekelea coin, ikipiga 10x hiyo ni 500, ikipiga 100x that's 5000, hivyo. So here you are just looking, if you invest into 20 coins, yeah, you are just looking for at least 5 coins tu tano. Hizo zingine zote in your head you know they are going to go to zero, but now this 5% will actually make you so much, a lot of money that is even more than the initial investment that you had of $10,000. Yeah, so that's how you should distribute your portfolio.
All right.
Kuna swali ingine?
I think I hope you guys are enjoying the lesson. I'm hoping the lesson is ina come through venye inafaa. So much Thank you so much Jonah for the session so far. Maneno iko shwari. Watu wanasema wanakusikia vizuri, watu wanasema interesting class. You know, it's our first crypto live session. We've not done it before.
Inakuwa forex.
Tunawape Friday inakuwa FX.
Okay.
So sasa tunawape back to back.
Wakiitisha wanapewa.
Sijui itakuwa Friday lakini I think tunaweza itafutia midweek. Tunaweza itafutia kama Wednesday hivi ama Thursday.
Kwa sawa kabisa.
So back to back tunawapea hiyo crypto the free live sessions za crypto. Eric anasema I got it. Thank you sana. Sama anasema haja list the well doing coins. I think
nakuja hapo.
Hiyo list ya coins.
Yeah.
Hamster naye Flavy anasema how can I earn real money from Hamster please?
Hamster Combat. Nimesikia, nitaiguzia tu kidogo
I think unaweza anza na hii Assam, hiyo at least the well doing coins. Wape top coins zenye pia wanaweza angalia, ndio mtu ikifika pale December anaweza piga ka trip aende Mombasa hivi ama Mabazuu South,
anaweza peleka mama mahali,
anaweza enjoy na Kenya, anaweza anguka nayo vizuri proper vile inafaa. In the meantime guys,
top
we
coins
are 20,000 followers. Make sure we get into 40,000 likes. In the meantime, we are 31 people. At least share with 10 of your friends. Don't get me. Come on, today is Friday. Tukimaliza hapa tunatuma pin location, tukula nyama kidogo, tufunge wiki namna hiyo tukidiscuss crypto FX and everything online. Kila kitu ya online is come, so you got to learn about this. And the only place to learn is here. And we have the best tutors, we have the best educators, genuine and who have your interest at heart. Sawa? Maneno iko namna hiyo. Thank you so much. So in the meantime, Jonah is gonna give you the top coins.
Na kuna mtu alikuwa ameuliza
how to store the coins.
Kuna mtu alikuwa ameuliza before.
Kuna wallets na nini ataelezea the different type of wallets. Kuna cold wallets na kuna hizo zingine.
Hot wallets.
Na Hamster. How can I earn from Hamster? Kuna mtu ameuliza ya Hamster. Sahi. How can I earn Hamster?
Hamster. Yeah.
So I think we're good to go. Usichoke kutap.
Watap kabisa Huko watu wangapi? Sasa. So now allow me to nianze na hii. Kuna mtu alikuwa ameuliza about storing mwenye alikuwa ameniuliza prior about storing the coin So now cryptos, they are stored into something we called wallets This is a whole lesson actually. It's going to take me some time to explain to you. Cryptos, they are stored into special they are called wallets. That's where you store your Bitcoin. That's where you store your any cryptocurrency that you have. And we have different types of wallets. We have hot wallets and cold wallets. So we have hot wallets and we also have cold wallets. Hot wallets, these are wallets that you can access using the internet, Wallets that you can access using the internet, Cold wallets, these are stored offline. You cannot access these coins of internet, And when I talk about hot wallet, I'm going to divide these into two. In hot wallet, we have something we called custodial wallets. And we have non-custodial wallets. So with hot wallets, we have custodial wallets and non-custodial wallets. So with custodial wallets, these are wallets that are probably in exchange. Most of you, I know, you know about Binance. If I'm to send you Binance, if I'm to send you Bitcoin through Binance, it's going to be stored in a wallet that is the wallet for Binance. It's your wallet, but it's a Binance wallet. Meaning, siku moja by chance, Binance waamue kuamka na waende nyumbani, they are going to make away with your they are going to make away with your coins. Yeah, that's why there is a common phrase. Yeah, as you get into crypto, utaanza kusikia watu wakisema not your coins, not your crypto, because you do not have keys, not your keys, not your crypto. You do not have keys to that coins. The keys to that coins, they are with Binance. Yeah, so the custody iko na Binance. Non-custodial wallets, yeah. This example of these wallets, it's something like MetaMask, Trust Wallet. So these wallets, they are you have your own custody. Yeah? They are online, but you have your you have custody of, you have keys to those wallets. Yeah, and there is no customer support for these. Yeah, if you forget your coins and if you forget your passwords and your keys, that's it. Your crypto is gone. Yeah. With these MetaMask and Trust Wallet, they do not have customer support, but with custodial wallets, account yako ikileta shida ya Binance unaweza pigia support. Yeah? Now nime-explain hot wallets. Now tuko na cold wallets. Now cold wallets, I told you these coins, they are stored offline. So I do not have an example, but probably next live I'll show you. It's a flash disk. Yeah? You store your bitcoins, your cryptos in a flash disk. Hiyo unaweka tu kwa mfuko, unaendaga tu nayo mahali unataka. No one can access those cryptos because they are offline. Hakuna mtu ataingia ati anakuhag anataka kuiba cryptos zako. So now this is the thing, yeah. Something like Binance, it's a good place to buy and sell your cryptos, yeah. But as a precautionary, you are not supposed to keep your bitcoins in Binance because you do not have keys to those. Example, recently we had a collapse of a very large exchange, yeah? Close to a Binance exchange. It was called FTX. Na venye hiyo exchange ili collapse, a lot of people lost their money. Why? Because they had stored their money in a custodial wallet. The same thing could happen to Binance. Haimaanishi Binance ati ni crash proof. Ikipotea itapotea na coins zako. So the only time you are supposed to take your coins to Binance is when you are looking to sell, ama anytime you are looking to buy coins from Binance. But if you are looking to store them long term, you can have a hot wallet, yeah? The non-custodial wallet, which is MetaMask Trust Wallet, yeah? But even if you want to have safer, kama uko zile za a lot of people wameadvance kwa kufinyafinya laptop, huyu mtu anaweza access bitcoins zangu huko, you can go for cold wallets, yeah? They are like flash disks. Unaweka coins zako hapo na hiyo inatulia hivyo. I think I've explained how to store your cryptos, yeah? So it's your choice. Ni wewe uamue utastore kwa hot wallet ama kwa cold wallet. That's your choice. Aya, now hapa tumeulizwa story na top coins. Na nikiwaelezea what to look for, yeah? Nilisahau a very important thing, yeah? Narratives, yeah? So some of the best coins to invest in, yeah? Narratives, yeah? Kuna narrative hiyo ya meme coins. I think I had talked about meme coins hapa na pale, yeah? So you see, kuna coin inaitwa Trump. I'm not saying you go and invest into that coin. I'm just giving an example, yeah? Trump. So this coin did very well, yeah? Unaona ile time Trump alishutiwa hivi kidogo and then hype ikakuwa Trump yeye lazima atashinda hili. That coin did very well, yeah? Na ile siku kuna coin inaitwa Biden pia. Hii coin venye Biden aliamuka hiyo akaandika, ilikuwa wazita a letter akasema he stepping down, he will no longer be vying for president of US. Coin ilikuwa inaitwa Biden ilishuka like 80%, yeah? So with this narrative, that's why I want to explain to you. There is the upside and there is the downside to these things, yeah? You have to be like, lazima ukue informed every time. So top coins zenye mimi naweza advise watu wanunue. Not to just buy, you go do your own due diligence about that coin. You find out if it's a good coin. It's called doing your own research, yeah? Angalieni coin ziko kwa AI narrative. AI narrative. These coins, they have been able to do so well, because at the beginning of the year these coins were so down, but ile time mlianza kusikia tu chat GPT, these coins did extraordinary well, and they're still going to do well. I'm going to give a few. Fetch AI is a good coin. You can go check it out. We have Agix. We also have Ocean Protocol. So these three coins here, they have merged to form a coin, ASC coin. I think now these three coins, they have merged to form a single coin called ASE. So this coin is going to do absolutely well, because only these investors now, they are focused on that particular coin. Kuna coin mzuri sana ya rendering GPU, inaitwa Render, not RARE. Render. This coin is also in the AI narrative, and it's going to do absolutely well, And then when I'm talking about this, these coins already did so well, but then when Bitcoin dumped, they also dumped, So it's like buying them from a better, a good buying zone, Another coin would be Render, not Agix. These are mid caps. I'm not so much focused on something like Bitcoin. These are coins that you can buy long term, because Bitcoin will get to a place that no one will be able to even afford it. These are coins that if you have good money, big money, you can invest into Bitcoin. At least in your portfolio, you should have Bitcoin. You should have, if especially right now, because Bitcoin right now, they already have a spot ETF, If they are going to have an approved, not approved, they are going to apply for spot ETF very soon. And if it gets approved, we will see it trade above $10,000. If spot ETF is approved, we are going to see it go past $10,000. And as we speak right now, I think it is trading at around $32,000. So 3,200. If it's trading at around $3,200. So with this, if it was to get to like $10,000, it would mean you have made a 3x on your investment. Let's say you had an investment of $1,000. So by the time it gets to 10,000, you'll have made like 3x your investment. If it was 1,000, that will be $3,000. 2,000 itakuwa difference, So meaning these are good projects to also invest in. Solana is also a good project, but now these are big caps, So ukienda kuwekelea Bitcoin, ukienda kuwekelea ETH, ukienda kuwekelea Solana, usiende kuwekelea $10 jameni. Ekelea pesa kidogo, ina make sense, that will give you a good return, Solana is also a good project, Solana will easily get to $400. This is going to get to $400. Na sahi as we speak, I think iko 160, 170 around there. Around 170 hapo ama $160, So if this one was to go back to there, that's a clean 4x, on your investment, Now these are big caps naongelelea. There's also a very good project like BNB. And I will tell you why BNB is a good project, BNB, this is a native token for Binance, So as we speak right now, Binance is the biggest exchange, It's the sahi Kenya hakuna mtu hata ukimwambia Binance anajua. So the more Binance grows, the more its native token grows, So if you have so much faith in Binance, you should have BNB. because the more Binance ina grow, the more BNB ina grow. BNB ina trade at around I think around $500. Yeah, and this is a project that can get to even $10,000. Yeah, so na hizi nimesema at least ukuwe na capital nzuri hapo, ukuwe na capital nzuri. Hawa au unaweza waekea 100, Fetch unaweza mwekea 100, Agix unaweza mwekea 100, $50. Juu hawa wakipiga kama 10x, ukuwa umeweka kama $50, that's $500 clean money. And then there is another good project called Injective Protocol. Yeah, this is also another good project that you can invest in. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, and then sasa now kwa memes. Yeah, I think we will have a session where I tell you how to like look at now the memes. Yeah, uto tu memes twenye hata atufiki Binance, twenye unatununulia huko, kuna mali kunaitwa una nini desk tools huko, una pancake swap. Yeah, so I will tell you how to like scout those meme coins. Hizo zenye unapata ni 0.0000001 so unaekelea $10 unapatiwa kama milioni za hiyo coin. Yeah, because those coins, they are also good. Those are the coins that make you generational wealth, but you have to be careful because if you do not know how to actually look at a coin, yeah, utakuwa unaekelea $10 inaenda, $20 inaenda, hivyo in the end unapata pesa yako yote imeisha na hujaipata any return on investment yenye ina make sense. I think that's about it. Maswali mo.
Alright, so I'm hoping you guys are learning something and I'm hoping the session is interesting. Sijui maswali ni kama maswali ni kama zimepotea kidogo, lakini please tell us how you can join because I'm interested for the lesson. Was so interesting. Alright, so how to join our classes? I think hiyo imeulizwa sana na siwezi pita sasa kwa sasa.
So umejibu.
Now we usually have the free sessions zenye tunapeana free information kama hii yenye Jonah anawafunza hapa. But if you want now a personalized class whereby tunaanza from top to bottom, tunaanza yani from introduction tunapiga like a couple of hours, yani each and every day is a new lesson and more detailed than how we are doing it here. That is what we call the personalized classes and mentorship. Is 20 how much, Mike? How much
for the crypto? For the crypto is 20,000.
For the crypto course is 20,000 and it takes like 2 to 3 weeks. So ukikuja pale class utapatana na Jonah, atakupigisha class mpaka iishe. Alright, so for the forex classes is the 30,000 takes 1 month. So location, Spar Mall, second floor, S47. All these details and the WhatsApp number, you can get them using the link on the bio. The link on the bio has all these details. If you want to connect to Jonah's account is at Jonah Mulate. Hebu andikie username yako hapa ndio waweze kukufuata. So Jonah is also on TikTok. You can follow Jonah. And how many guys have learned something new? If you've learned something new, please let me know. Kama class imekuwa sawa, niambie iko sawa so that I can know. Should we do it regular ama hii kwe ni ya mwisho hivyo na tufunge maneno. Unajua saa zingine when you give free information, you always want to know if people are getting what is being
value.
Value. Kama wana feel value ama wana feel you guys are kidding us. So but in the meantime very very good. OneSafe anasema very very good. Lemison anasema very very good. Naona watu wangu wako pale tuned in kabisa. So we have another one guest that I want to introduce you guys. So guys, tuko na guest mwingine. So Jonah, I'm thinking I think kitu kama dakika kama 10 hivi umalizie, then tuwaitie huyu guest mwingine to introduce and we call it a day so that also we have something to keep guys coming for the next session. Si ndio ama namna gani?
Hizo dakika 10 zingekuwa maswali tu. Kama ulisahau kuuliza swali
ya mwisho usahau, please make sure you asking Jonah
ukitap tap tu bado hapo
before I introduce you to the next guest. Leo niliwaambia it's new faces. So new faces, I'm quite sure you've never seen Jonah on our page here today. Today mnamuona hapa leo. So we have another guest that I want to introduce you. Kuna mtu ameuliza maswali Mike? If there is any question, please you can bring it on board. If there is any question, you can bring it on board. In the meantime, I also want them to see our crypto trading curriculum. Those who might be preparing to join the classes, what it entails and what is inside it.
Alternatively, kama hakuna maswali hizo 10 minutes naweza waongezea kakitu ya bonus tu. Kama hakuna maswali naweza waongezea ka bonus tu hapa pale hivyo.
All right.
So guys, I know some of you are asking ways in which you can trade cryptos, yeah? Now crypto, we have various ways you can trade in crypto. We have we have spot trading, yeah? Na nitawaelezea. We have spot trading, we have futures. We have futures trading, we have P2P. P2P trading, and we have arbitrage. Arbitrage trading. So spot trading in you are actually buying an asset, yeah? You are buying Bitcoin, yeah? You are buying Bitcoin, and the only way you can make money with spot trading is whatever you are buying, whether Bitcoin, whether Ethereum, whether BNB. If that asset you are buying goes up in value, that's the only way you'll make money in spot trading, because you are buying at an actual price. Umenunua Bitcoin ikiwa $70,000, ikienda $69,000, you are making a loss. Ikipanda ienda 71, 72, that's the only way you are making money. Mostly spot trading inatumikaga na watu wana buy, wanaenda kuweka kwa wallet, wanangoja, wanaipatia time ikapande huko juu kabisa. We have futures trading, yeah? Futures trading, you are not buying an asset, yeah? Futures trading is more like forex trading. Kwa wenye wanajua forex trading, it's the same as futures trading. You can buy when the market is going up and when the market is going down, yeah? So if you have conviction that the market is going to go down, you sell. If from where you sold to where the market is, that will be a difference. If the market goes up, yeah, and you know it's going to go up, you buy. So where the market gets to where you bought it at, that will be a difference. That's how futures works. Futures, you are not buying anything. This, you are basically signing a contract saying, I will buy or I will sell this asset at this particular time, yeah? Now we have P2P. Now this is the easiest form of trading, yeah? Crypto, P2P, the easiest form. Because this, I want you to picture P2P as an M-Pesa. Ukienda, those people in Kenya, ukienda M-Pesa agent anakuambia akona float na akona cash. So kama unataka kwenda withdraw, unamtumia M-Pesa, anakupea cash. Kama unataka kudeposit, unampatia hiyo cash, anakudepositia. So with the P2P is just the same. Kuna watu wanataka kununua. The easiest way to buy Bitcoin, yeah? You can buy something called USDT, yeah? USDT. So this USDT, you buy it from P2P. Kuna mtu utapata hapo amekuwekea USDT at a certain price, yeah? Ukitaka kununua hiyo USDT, unamtumia anakuwekea USDT. Ama ile time unataka umetengeneza pesa yako, unataka mkuchu kwa mfuko kwa M-Pesa, unaingia tu hapo P2P bado, unamtumia hizi dola, anakuwekea kama M-Pesa. The easiest form of trading you can make money. And now finally, arbitrage trading, yeah? Venye niliwaelezea, you buy these cryptos from exchanges, yeah? Like Binance. Kuna mtu atakuja angalia Binance apate Bitcoin inauzwa slightly cheaper than in another exchange. Atanunua Bitcoin kwa hii exchange, aende auze kwa ile exchange yenye inauza at a higher price, yeah? And then make the difference. So that's basically it. These are some of the ways you can earn in crypto: spot trading, futures trading, P2P, and arbitrage trading, yeah? Asanteni sana guys, yeah? hata kama siwaoni from my end, I would like to think you've been an amazing audience. Asanteni sana kabisa.
Right,
Alex, utakuja kumalizia sasa.
Yeah. So please clap for Jonah, please, as he exits the stage, please. Makofi.
Ama waandike tu one tujue walikuwa pamoja. Waandike tu one kwa comment section tujue tulikuwa pamoja. Just type one. Type one. I feel like
one tukifunga hapo. Jonah amefika mwisho. Na si eti amemaliza content. Mwambie si eti lesson ni eti.
Time ni kidogo. Time ni kidogo.
So
content iko kwa
wingi. So we'll be having these regulars. Wengi wamepiga 1 so nambari moja pale tunaiangusha pale kwa comment box.
Asanteni sana.
Amepiga moja, Mark Mukami amepiga moja, JB amepiga moja, Sam amepiga moja, Morris amepiga moja. Very interesting, very much.
Ama wanipatie namba niwaekee kitu. Wananifurahisha.
Umetuza mwalimu hapa. Mwalimu anataka kuwachangamkia. Alright, so sawa. So I think tutaconnect kwa page yake tukimaliza session. Atume machedas. So in the meantime, the crypto course is here, guys. The modules are here. So